What if you've been looking for consciousness in the wrong place? What if it isn't inside your brain, but your brain is inside consciousness? Scientists have spent decades searching for the spark that makes you aware the moment the lights turn on, the exact point where neurons stop being matter and start becoming mind. They've mapped the brain in astonishing detail, tracked every signal, measured every spike of energy. And still, no one has found the source of consciousness. Maybe because there isn't one. Maybe awareness was never created. Maybe it's the canvas everything else is painted on. In the 1990s, scientists called it the hard problem of consciousness. How does physical matter give rise to subjective experience? How does chemistry create the feeling of being alive? Every theory pointed back to the brain, to neurons, networks, and electrical storms of activity. But when researchers zoomed in, all they found were patterns, no spark, no switch. The closer they looked, the more it disappeared, like trying to find the reflection inside a mirror. So the question changed. Instead of asking how the brain produces awareness, scientists began asking if maybe awareness produces the brain. What if consciousness isn't an output, but a field, one that the brain tunes into, like a radio searching for the right frequency? Quantum biology has started to explore this possibility. At the smallest scales, particles behave differently when observed. Observation itself changes reality. Inside your neurons, proteins vibrate at quantum levels. Some physicists believe these vibrations could act like antennas, tuning into an informational field that exists everywhere, beyond space and time. If that's true, then the mind isn't locked inside your skull. It's connected to everything you see. Every thought, every perception, is like a wave collapsing into form. Out of infinite potential, one experience becomes real. This matches what ancient philosophies have said for thousands of years. They called it the universal mind, the fabric of awareness, the field. Science now calls it the quantum vacuum, a sea of possibilities. And you, through attention, tune into it. Your emotional state changes the signal. Anger narrows the frequency. Gratitude expands it. When you shift your focus, reality rearranges to match it. Not by magic, but by perception. Your brain filters trillions of sensory inputs. It decides what becomes your reality. Change the filter, and the world changes with it. If consciousness is fundamental, then the universe isn't a machine. It's a mind, expressing itself through matter. Each of us, a temporary ripple in an infinite sea of awareness. You are not inside reality. Reality is inside you. When you dream, entire worlds appear inside awareness. When you wake, the same awareness watches a new world unfold. Different story, same observer. You are not your thoughts. You are the space they move through. You are not your body. You are the awareness witnessing its life. And when you remember that, something shifts. The boundaries blur, the noise quiets, and you begin to sense that everything you see is consciousness, looking back at itself. Silence, breath, awareness. That's where you've always been.